Oh my, I don't know you're familiar, but the biggest shit ever since sliced bread is coming next week. I mean, the iPhone SE 4 is coming. But is it really worth the hype? Let's talk, but first, quick question. Are you an iPhone SE customer? Please answer below. Hi friends and welcome to Digital Markings. I'm the channel's host Marco and this is your dose of latest Apple news, leaked information, tech rumors and product reviews. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button and don't forget to enable all notifications so you don't miss the next video. This one is powered by Benks. Till now, I have tried many Benks products and accessories. Infinity Pro stand for an iPad, various wireless charging options like InvisiBoost MagSafe wireless charger, Infinity Omni stand, and JuicePod 3-in-1 alternatives, and so on. One of my favorites has always been Infinity Mac stand for MacBook, which I still use up to this date. But Benks has widely been known as a manufacturer of some of the most impressive smartphone cases with different designs and characteristics. And here are just a few of iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max variants that these guys have sent me recently, and they are absolutely amazing. Check out the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Get a discount today. Let's go! iPhone SE 4th generation with much needed upgrades and more up-to-date specs is not a matter of choice or Apple's goodwill. The market is already full of amazing smartphones from other manufacturers, and sticking to features like LCD display and Touch ID would be madness, destined for failure in this age. All the leaks so far has pointed at some more modern design, the one that replicates iPhone 14 models with 16.1-inch diagonal OLED display, similar to the one that has been used on generation 13, something that I'm still using. Then, the first time ever on SE variant, instead of the Touch ID, Face ID finally landing is no-brainer and the right way to go. Specs-wise, even earlier rumors suggested that iPhone SE will be fully Apple Intelligence ready, possibly running A18 chipset paired with up to 8 gigs of memory, which is a huge step up comparable to A15 Bionic and 4 gigs, which have been at the core of its predecessor. Another huge improvement that's been anticipated with this device is a 48 megapixel camera at the back alongside 12 megapixel front-facing shooter. I have some bad news. It appears that the incoming iPhone SE will start with just 64 gigs of storage. That's a terrible base configuration, but it's so much Apple. Few upgrades that are still under the question mark are potential action button instead of the mute switch, and something that I'm highly skeptical for this year, Dynamic Island. I think such an upgrade could take a toll on the sales of iPhone 16, but that's just my humble opinion. You can share yours in the comment section below. As far as the release date goes, you may heard that Bloomberg's Mark Gurman gave his prediction about the release already this week, on February 11, which was wrong. Now it appears it will actually happen in incoming week, on February 19. Price-wise may not be as affordable as its first iteration, nor second or third in matter of fact, but comparable to other iPhone models, its projected price should be around $500, something that SE fans and those who haven't considered an iPhone before will appreciate. Are you one of those? Please answer and comment below. I have to admit, I've started this video with a bit of sarcasm, and it's not for nothing considering the hype that is being created in the tech community around the launch of this iPhone. That doesn't mean anything bad about the incoming smartphone, it's completely opposite, but it's more about the reality check and why 4th generation iPhone SE will be a valuable contender in the lower and mid-range segment of the market. The true big deal of this product is its priced for a vintage design, which has been a trademark of SE as a category ever since it was first introduced. But it's not as cheap as it was, and Apple is well aware of it. So there is no reason to make it more than it really is. Few months ago, I already expressed my opinion and why I would prefer something with round edges with the like of iPhone X but with a smaller notch. Sadly, this will likely not happen. But we do have to admit something. With $500 or euros price tag, with more power, better display and Face ID, this is the easiest way to enter the well-kept garden of Cupertino's ecosystem, and especially in the US market, a field of blue bubbles. To be frank, I'm more into iPhone 17 lineup, and I'm looking forward to see what changes will be featured in September. That's all from my end. I hope you enjoyed this quick video of mine. If you did, please subscribe, slap the thumbs up and turn on notifications. Thank you so much for watching Digital Markings. I'm Marco, talk to you soon, have an excellent day, cheers!